Sorry about that. So the social policy aspect requires us to create a new vision for the juvenile justice system where we recognize the behavioral and social differences between female and male offenders, and that has specific implications for gender responsive policy and practice. So, what does that translate to? Well, first of all, it translates to the fact that we have to think about the fact that male and females react differently to different stimuli. They have different motivations. Remember, we discussed early on that females tend to be relational, whereas males tend to be global. Females set standards based on their relationships, whereas males set the standards based on rules. So we need to consider those things when we think about how to create more accurate social policy as it relates to gendered offenders. So until we can do that, we're going to have pretty much the same old, same old. So again, make sure that you do your homework. You'll need to do the writing prompt for Learning Unit 7 that will be due next week. I'm working on catching up on grading. As you can tell, it's been a rough few weeks. So I am working on it. You'll begin to see grades posted fairly quickly. Make sure that you get your quiz done. I will upload this video and a link to this video in the online classroom so you can refer to it, go through it as you read through your chapter, and make sure you do that before you take your quiz. Hopefully, I will see you guys next week. Thank you and have a terrific week.